Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStyle Design, and today I am participating in a collab hosted by Sharon. She's so fabulous, and it is called the Decorative Box Purpose and Use Collab. And in this collab, we had to show a decorative box that we use around our home and the purpose for what we use it for. And I have several boxes around my home. Most of them, I have some in my office, some in the bedroom, and then this one that I keep on the coffee table. And in this one, I use it to hold our remotes. And I also have the remote to my fireplace, and I keep a little box of matches to light my candle. And as you can see, it's just a clear decorative box by Nicole Miller. I haven't taken the tag off yet, and it is something that I picked up on clearance for $10. So I don't think you could beat that price. And I thought it was so pretty, and I thought that it would go really well with my other decor on my coffee table. So I wanted to show you this little decorative box and how useful they can be. So I hope you like what you see. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. I plan on having a lot more content coming up soon. A lot of DIYs, some different tablescapes, especially with the fall season coming up and holidays and Christmas. And yeah, so please consider becoming part of my YouTube family and joining me on my YouTube journey. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Ta-ta for now. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.